A title page is a cover page that is on its own page at the beginning of a document. To add in a pre-made title page, go in your Insert tab and on the left-hand side, click the drop-down from Cover Page. You can pick one of the pre-designed cover pages simply by selecting it, and it will add that cover page to the first page of your document. On these cover pages, you will have fields that you can just update to put your information. So you need your title, cover page, and if you have a subtitle, you can type it in, or you can click on the subtitle box at the top and delete to get rid of it. Make sure that any other fields have the names that you need in it. Field title. And that's how you could make a basic cover page. Instead of adding in a cover page that is pre-designed, you can also design your own. So you would need to put in a new page at the beginning. So I've gone to the very top of my document. So Control Home if I'm not there, and then I'll hit Control Enter, and that moves everything down a page and gives me a page at the beginning. So from here, I can design my cover page however I want. In the Design tab, it allows you to add different designs. So we're going to stick on the design on the right-hand side with the page border. And we could do a page border to the whole document or the first page only, which is what we're going to do because this is our title page. You can pick if you want it a box, a shadow look, or a 3D look. You can pick what type of lines you want. Any type of lines. You can change the color of the box, and you can also change the width of the box. If you don't want to do something with lines, you can change it to art and give it a nice art look on the outside. Sometimes this makes the cover page looks a little busy, so usually I will just stick with lines. So I'll give it a shadow line and maybe make it a little thicker. When I hit OK, we have a box on the first page, nothing on the rest of the document. Now, if I wanted to create a name, this could be my title page. To change the font on a title page, you would do it the same as anything. Highlight your text, and in your Home tab, change the font style and the font size to whatever you would like it to be. You could change the font color here if you want. The other thing we can do is we can actually color the background of the whole page or just the paragraph that the title is in. So we're going to just color the paragraph that the title is in. So we're going to click on Design again, and now we see Page Color. When we drop down from Page Color, if we pick this, it's going to color the whole page. But I said I didn't want to color the whole page. I just want to color the paragraph. So we're going to click on Page Border instead, and from there we're going to pick on Shading. Now you'll see here we can apply to text or paragraph. So I'm going to choose paragraph, and I'm going to give it a nice dark color. And then when I click OK, there's my paragraph title page. Control E will center it for me. That way I have the title page in the center with the background. Now if I'd only chosen the text to title, I'm going to come down here and just double click to get something, another space down here. So my way of getting down to the bottom didn't work, so I've just come down here and I want to just put in my name. Now I don't want it that big again, so I am going to do a quick change to change the size of my name. And I don't want to change the look of my name. Now, I don't want the whole line to be colored. I just want this text to be colored. So if I go into Design, under Page Borders again, Shading, my fill color, I'm going to give it a nice color, and it's only going to apply it to the text. So when I click OK, only the text was colored. And finally, if you've made all these changes and once you're done, you're like, I don't really like that, I want to go back to normal. If you highlight them and go to your Home tab, on the right here on your Home tab in the font, there's a Clear All Formatting. So if we click on that, it's going to change everything back to the default, which is Calibri 11. And that ends adding a title page.